I'm going to make a foghorn for you, which there are many foghorns to choose from, so I'm going to make one version of it. This is called the foghorn. I'm going to start off with a little bit of ice in a glass. And we're going to use 2 parts gin. The parts we're going to be using tonight is 1 ounce apiece. The jigger I'm using is 1 ounce on one side, 1/2 ounce on the other. There are many different to choose from. Some of them are 2 ounces and 1 ounce. There's many to choose from at your local liquor store. We're going to throw in a little bit of lime juice. And we're going to top it off with a little ginger ale. So as not to ruin the integrity of the carbonation, we're going to stir gently to bring this drink together. We're going to take our cocktail glass, hardball glass to some folks, and we're going to pour gently into the glass the foghorn. Cheers.